If you have stage fright or if you have imposter syndrome, this one trick is going to solve the problem. Hello, my name is Majeed. I'm the public speaking coach for entrepreneurs who sell high-ticket programs. The solution is stop thinking about yourself and start thinking about them. So the way I think of it is I have these cameras pointing at me. Literally, I have two cameras pointing at me right now. And so I'm so self-conscious. How do I look? What's everybody thinking about me? But if I just, in my mind, turn the cameras around and I'm now thinking about the audience, the stage fright goes away, the imposter syndrome goes away, and it's replaced with a heartfelt desire to serve the audience. So just turn the cameras around in your mind, serve the audience, the imposter syndrome goes away, the stage fright goes away. Follow here for more public speaking tips for entrepreneurs. And if you would like to get more speaking engagements and if you would like to get more clients from speeches, schedule a one-on-one strategy call with me. I would love to help you.